still it's still easy to do it. Okay, so this area is actually involve positive and negative sides. Okay, so that's why I said it's a little bit complicated compared to the previous, because the previous questions only on either on the left or on the right, but this time both. Okay, so for the positive we have 1.29, right? And then the negative we have negative 0.75. So the area that we are looking for is actually between these two numbers, all right? Actually, still very easy, because we already understand the concept that the normal table only give us, the area at the tail side. It doesn't matter whether the tail is on the left or on the right. So we have two tails here. The first one, this one, right? And then the second one. So we know that this graph, okay, it involves the one that we shaded, is actually involve the whole graph. And the total area under the graph, the probability will be 1. So how can we find the area that we are looking for? It's just that, okay, the probability of this one, right? 1.29, where we need to do is actually 1 minus the area, the first one, minus the area of the second one from the table. Then we can get the answer for the probability that we are looking for. Right, so for the first one, 1.29, can Mason, okay, can you find me the answer from area 1.29?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay.
Yes, Doctor.
Okay, so 1.29 from the table. Can you get me the answer?
Uh, 0.0985.
5. Okay, thank you. All
Yes,
right. So,
Doctor.
huh? Okay, thank you. How about Fernandika? Can you get me the area for the second one, which is 0.75 from the table?
Uh, 0.2266.
2266, okay, right? So can somebody calculate the whole thing for me, 1 minus all these two numbers? Can siapa ya? Siapa yang saya?
Doctor.
Yes, who's that?
Yeah, the first one is 0.3859.
03
Yeah,
885.
2.9.
Sorry, can you say it again? Sorry.
Okay, the one was 2.9 is 0.3859.
You mean this one is not right?
Yeah.
Doctor, actually, I think the first one is already correct.
Okay, guys. Okay, come on. Which one? 1 minus which one? This one is correct.
0.0985.
That one is correct. Is it Tika?
Yeah,
Okay.
for 1.29.
Okay,
And
Tika. Since you already answered this one, can you calculate the whole thing for me, Tika? Please.
the answer is 0.6749.
6749.
49.
How about Oraline, how about other people? What do you think? Okay, Joey kata yes, okay. Who else? Agree, Roha pun kata okay. Alright, okay. It seems that correct. Okay, Hassan, maybe you need to check again, okay? Why they get 0.0985, okay? Please, okay? All right, okay. So very good, everyone. It seems that you understand what we are doing. Okay, good. Even, you make different comments, but still, it's okay. All right, so let's look at number 7. Okay, what area is actually for exercise number 7? So we have the middle one. Now this time we have 1.2 here and then 1.3 here, right? Wow, this one is a little bit tricky. Okay, before this is easy for us to make it a 0.5 minus or 1 minus. But this one again, it only happens, okay, it only happens on 1/2. So it still involve 0.5, okay? It doesn't involve the whole curve, right? It just that now we have something different because the area that we are looking for between the two numbers in the middle, all right? So actually, very simple, very easy if you look at this way. Okay, just imagine the first one is actually the 1.2, okay, 1.2. So the area is actually, we are looking for the bigger one. And then we need to minus, okay, 0.3, which is the smaller one, okay, 1.3, right? So it's just like what happened if we have, I put them together in one graph, okay, so 0, and then we have 1.3. This area we can find straight from the table, right? Because it's on the right tail. So 1.2, and then we have this 1.3. So this area, we also can find it from the table. So it just imagine if you take a scissor or a cutter and you chop this one off, right? So it will leave us with the area that we are looking for, right? So you have a scissor here, right? You chop it off, right? So then what we need to do is actually to find 1.2 first, and then we minus 1.3 area. Okay, for 1.2, okay, I would like Shafi Izati. Can you find me the area 1.2? What is the area? Sorry. 0.
0.1539.
1539.
39. Yep.
Okay. And then what happened to 1.3? Huili, can you find me for 1.3? What is the probability for that one?
0.0968.
68. All right. Like this? Yeah. Okay. So Esther, can you find me the whole thing?
Yeah, sure, doctor, but wait a second, doctor. The 1.21, isn't it supposed to be 0.1151?
Yeah, I agree with that.
Which one?
The 0.1539,
Oh, this one is not right, is it?
yeah,
So what is
it
the
should
answer
be
then?
0.1151.
5-1. Okay.
Yeah,
All right. And then what is the answer for the whole thing?
0.0171.
0.01.
171.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys agree with Esther? Okay or not?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, good. All right. Wow. Okay. Right. Can we continue? Ambil nafas, take your breath, okay? I know we have done quite a lot of questions today, but I'm still happy that most of you understand what you are doing. Okay, as I said, this is the I give you examples of different situations. So if you later, when the real question comes, you can easily solve it because you already have a very strong foundation. Right. For number 8 and number 9, I don't want you to focus on the absolute value only, this absolute value. Yeah, because the main purpose of me giving this example is actually for you to look at what happened if the area is actually uh, occurs both in the right and left side and they have equal area. Okay, so for example, for number 8, right, the area that I'm trying uh, to tell you is actually okay. So first of all, we have 0.84. So this one will be at the positive side and greater than, right? So actually what happens if we have absolute value, so it means that whatever on the left or on the other side will be the reflection on the positive side. So the other area will be same as this one, negative 0.084, and the area will be this one. Okay, so that's what it means by the absolute value, right? So in order to find these two areas is very simple. So whatever you get from the table for 0.84, you just times 2, okay? And then you will get the answer, right? So can I get what is actually 0.84, the area from the table? Can Rose Heiza, Rose Heiza, I'm not sure whether you are here or not. Shafa, Shafa. Okay, Shafa tak bersuara. Okay, how about Zaki? Muhammad Zaki Afifi. Pun tak ada suara. Okay, hampa ni.
Doctor, can you go
Ah.
back to question 7 for a while just now?
Sorry?
Question 7 just now. There's something wrong with the 1.3.
Okay, what
Yeah,
happened?
0.098. That one supposedly it should be 0.0968.
968, like
Yeah,
this.
so the total number should be 0.0183.
Okay. And then but the final answer is still the same?
No. The final answer is 0.0183.
183.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for correcting that. Otherwise, your friends just copy down without saying anything, Esther. Who did I call? I also forgot already. Any, okay, what is 0.84? What is the answer?
0.2005.
Yeah.
2005.
2005. Is everybody okay? Do you guys agree? Right, so then we have PZ, okay, greater than 0.84. So the answer will be, okay, can somebody read me the answer? Okay, ada siapa yang rasa dia tak sampai dia feel like being discriminated because I never mention or call their names. Okay, you can volunteer to answer, alright?
Me, doctor.
Okay, who's that? Who's that?
I know.
I know. Okay, thank you. I know. Okay, come on. What's the answer?
Okay, for the answer is 0.401.
401.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Okay. So
Okay.
is everybody agree with that? Okay. All right. Good. For the final one, the last question. Okay. So the area, I just show you the area, and then you need to do it yourself, and you can check the answer at the back. All right. So this one. All right. So the area 0. But as I said, we need to look at the positive side, right? Only. And then the negative is actually the reflection of whatever in the positive. So before, we need to sheet the whole thing on the left. But no, because we have absolute value, so it only stops until the positive side. So the negative side, as I said, will be the reflection of the negative part. So it will be this one, right? So the area that we are looking for, again, what you need to do, just now we times 2, now we know same thing, times 2, but we need to look at the area, the positive area. So you can just 0.5 minus whatever given by the table, and then you times 2, okay? And then you will get the answer. Right, people? So I think it's very easy because we already know the value here, 0.2005. Yeah. So from here. Okay. Right. So let's take a break again for 5 minutes. Okay, and then we will start the next example. I know there are a lot of questions so far that we have done, but it's good